Hi guys, I took a night bus to Lagos to train some workers to visit the bakery, train some workers right there, and it was so tough. The night journey was so terrifying, and I enjoyed it anyway. And this is where we are learning. We are preparing the marble bread. This bread is a combination of chocolate and the normal white dough, and in one loaf you are to have the chocolate and the white dough combined, and so you can see the dough, the chocolate dough and the white dough combined. You have to weave it in a systematic way to get that beautiful combination that will attract the customer. Now, in this bakery, I met some good, awesome, wonderful guys that are ready to deliver. They are ready to do the work. They are so committed, they are so loving, they are so friendly, and so it was so easy for me to handle. Now you can see how beautiful it looks. Now, one of the challenges that we are facing in this bakery is bread spoilage, and so when I got there, I observed that they were using ice water or cold water in the wrong way. So I quickly amend it by using normal water. I also adjusted the recipe. You can see the result of the marble bread. This is the uncovered one. Now I amended the recipe, to correct the spoilage, also the mixing process to correct the spoilage. And this is also the marble bread, the one that is covered. You can see two colors displayed, so beautiful. And this was our round bread. The round bread, we have to put some design so that it will be attractive. I saw them doing this and I love it. It looks so beautiful. When you give this design and the bake, the bread is going to come out very nice, very attractive, and delicious, because the bread is already delicious. We have given them the right combinations of flavors and other recipes. Now you can see how beautiful it looks after baking. This is super beautiful and delicious, egg washed anyway, to give that golden stripes you are seeing there. This is egg washed. Do you want this type of bread? Come and buy from our bakery. This is awesome. Now here we are making use of this great machine. This machine is a dough divider, and it can cut 800 portion, that is 800 grams per portion. So we just weigh 16 kg, fit it inside the machine, and just press it to give that even distribution. And after that, you grease the surface with oil or butter so that it to avoid stickiness. After greasing, you allow the machine to do the rest. This guy is an awesome guy. He's always committed, very serious in his business to make sure that he deliver the quantity that is the customer has placed order for. Now you can see this is exactly 800 per portion, and all we need to do is to just start molding. And it was so easy. The machine made it so easy for us to produce massively and very fast. I tell you, very fast, because the cutting process is always slowing the job. So you can see me there molding with them. I have to blend. There is no need to show off as I'm this. I came here to do this, not to. I was just working with them as one of the staffs to make sure I deliver, to make sure everything is well organized, everything is moving accordingly. Inspecting every process. At that point I was weighing some of the doughs to see if they are evenly cut, if there is any way we can amend, but it came out very nice and correct, so there was no need to make other corrections. Now I'm going to show you the end product, and it looks beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, invite us. Come to your bakery, and when we arrive, there must be change. And this is the end product of our big 800 grams of bread of dough, turning to be this beautiful golden brown bread. And I tell you, the taste is so wonderful, super tasty. You must, if you take a bite, you must ask for a drink to accompany, because it will spark all your glands, and make you desire for more. This is beautiful. Thank you for watching. You can grab our ebook, and from there you can also call us for training. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Click on that notification bell. See you in our next video. God bless you.